Today I'm going to be reviewing VBA 4-in-1 wireless charging station. I'd like to thank VBA for sending this to me to review. This does have Apple MagSafe charger, so it's going to charge things faster. It lets you charge all of the stuff. I even have my 12 mini on here. It still works. Nice and magnetic. I actually have Samsung headphones here. This is not plugged in right now. I just want to show you. And an old Apple Watch all on the charge. But that is not it, everyone. On the back, there's actually another port. So you can have a fourth item. So plugged in here, you can plug in a fourth item like a Samsung phone or anything like that. So you can charge 4 items with this. It sits nice next to your bed or wherever you're going to put this. Touch control night light. So if you want a night light, there's one on there. Turns it on, off, or switch to 3 different brightnesses. So if you're looking for a charger, a nice looking one too, very substantial, very nice, feels nice. VBA 4-in-1 charger is the way to go. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.